Alright, y'all, moment of truth. I did not put out a vlog today. I apologize. You may be asking, well, gee, Robert, Mondays are vlog days. You're supposed to put out an AMA, an Ask Me Anything episode. And I didn't. And here is why. I'm at my folks' house. Mom's at work right now. My brother's here. My dad's here. My uncle just left. My cousin just left. Our good family friend just left. Another family friend just left. And we've been spending all day pouring 6 trucks of concrete and adding on to our shop. So the shop is something. When did we build the shop? 2000. We built this shop in 2002. We cut down the trees and milled the lumber for that shop from our family farm. So everything's done totally by hand. And Dad's been adding on to the shop, and we just got done pouring the concrete. So check this out. I can't walk across it yet, right?
Yeah.
I can? It's gonna dry enough?
Step out there where the machine is.
Alright. So we just got done pouring. Was it 60 yards? 60 yards of concrete. Got it everything in there. Got the whirlybird, smoothed it all out. And just to verify that we did this, put our names in there. So we got Bob, my dad, Rick, family friend, my cousin Lane, Hans, Uncle Mark, Holden, my brother Tyler Bear, and yours truly, Robert Orion Sykes. On this date, 9/14/2020. And that's what we got going on. So, that is why I did not put out a video today. I'm about to grill some burgers, enjoy some family time, and focus on what life's all about, friends and family. So, Rebel or Bell just put paw prints all over. Dag nabbit, Bell. What are you thinking?
I will erase them. Now.
The whirlybird. Alright, y'all, so obviously this was not a normal video. It's a very short video, short vlog. Like, it's not even really a vlog. It's just me saying what I did, what I spent the day doing. And I thought, like, what's the point of even publishing this video? It's, like, super short. I'm not teaching y'all how to pour concrete. What's the use? So I thought, you know, and the audio was messing up, so I apologize for the audio messing up there. But I really want to just drive home this point, which is that my father is an incredible human being. I have so much respect, appreciation, and love for my dad. So everything that we've done on that property is where I grew up. I was born in Minnesota, but I was pretty much raised on that piece of land that y'all saw earlier. That's where we moved there when I was in 2nd grade, and then that's pretty much where I lived until I moved off and went to college. And my brother and I have done so much work on that piece of property. Like, when we first moved there, the house was in ruins. We've added on to the house, pretty much totally rebuilt the house. The land was just all overgrown, and there was just trash everywhere. And I'll have to show y'all some pictures sometime, but we totally revamped the land. We've dug a pond. You know, we built that shop. We cleared a bunch of trees. We made a field. Like, we did all of this work. We fenced the whole thing in with high tensile wire. And, you know, when I was growing up with my folks and doing this work, all of my peers and my friends were off, like, they would go do family vacations, and I would always kind of, like, be frustrated with the fact that we didn't do more fun things together as a family. In hindsight now, like, I always enjoyed the work that we did, but I mean, I was freaking working. I was like free labor when I was working as a kid. On this piece of property, and we still do projects like that. Like Dad called us up the other day and said, "Hey, look, we're pouring concrete. If you can help, I would certainly appreciate it. No expectation, but like if you can, this is what time we're going to be there." So I was there and we poured concrete. And like my mom and my dad have lived there. They're very proud of that property, and we've just totally changed the way it looks. And I'm incredibly proud of that property. Like that is where, like home is where the heart is. That's where my heart is in that piece of dirt because we've done so much work to it. We've totally changed it, and my work ethic now, as the person that I am today, as an entrepreneur, as a businessman, has come from the lessons instilled upon me by my mom and my dad on that piece of property. All the work that we did, totally different kind of work, but all the work that we did, like I don't take any of that for granted because it's made me who I am. And now, like I had the concrete, my name and my handprint in the concrete, but if you go on the other side of the shop and the part that we poured way back when, my name and my handprints are there too. Handprints are a little smaller than, but yeah, I'm just a tiny kid. And it's just cool for me to be able to have a family that I feel so much respect for, so much love and appreciation for, and want to be a part of and continue to help them in their pursuits and their endeavors and their dreams and aspirations, and for them to, take stock in the fact that I want to help them, that my brother wants to help them. I mean, we're all a collective unit. So I know this is a very abnormal video for me. It's not about keto. It's not about any of that stuff. But if I had to distill down the importance of this video and the time spent yesterday doing something outside of the norm, it would be that family and friends are where it's at, y'all. That's what gives life meaning. Like you could have the most successful business in the world. You could have all this money. You could have all these things. But you don't have the people to enjoy anything with. If you don't have just the camaraderie that comes with working on a common goal, especially one that you have to like put forth, physical labor in to build something with your own two hands instead of just hiring it out. Like everything that we've done on that property, we've done ourselves. We haven't hired anything out. And my dad's incredibly proud of that, and I'm incredibly proud of that because we've had to come together as a collective unit, as a family, to build and do all the things that we've done there. And that message is much more deep and much more impactful than just a clip of us pouring concrete. So that's what I hope to illustrate in this clip here. So if you've got a family, everybody's got a family, but hopefully you're close with your family, hopefully you're close with your friends, and you recognize that that is what life is all about. So hopefully this is a little bit of positivity amidst this world of darkness right now. But I appreciate all y'all. Again, I apologize for not having the normal content. That will continue this week as normal. And y'all have a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday. Y'all take care.